This is the HolidayCoro long-range regular receiver for output. Let's first start by going over the various different options available to purchase this item. The first is item number 935. This is a fully assembled receiver, and it is available with either 4 or 8 outputs. Please note that because this is a regular receiver, it will require 2 cables coming to it. You can purchase them as either 4 or 8 by selecting this option. You can also purchase this with many different types of plug inputs for various different countries. You can purchase this receiver with either a 30, 1 year, or 3-year warranty period. It's also available with either a 5, 12, or 24 volt output. That does indicate that the pixels will run from the voltage that is the input. No additional switches are necessary to configure the voltage. Now, if you do purchase this as a 4 output unit, you can purchase this kit right here. This is item number 951-74, and this kit has all the parts you need to add a 4th output to your existing 4 output receiver. Now, if you want to be doing a DIY build, you can board purchase this particular unit as item code number 951-65, and it's not shown here, but it does come with the plugs on the board as Phoenix connectors, and we'll just show those to you in a moment. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to the board and walk through the features. Now, it's first important to understand that this is a regular receiver, and it is compatible with all CPUs, the AlphaPix Evolution and the HinksPix Pro. This is a non-repeating board. It's a standard receiver called regular. That means it only has 1 jack. It does have a Cat5 jack using regular Cat5 cable, or Cat6 if you wish, and it is read the same way that all of our receiver systems indicate that this is unique and not Ethernet and is long range. Now, let's talk about the outputs. The outputs are using the standard Phoenix connector. They have 4 pins, 3 of which are used. This is compatible only with 3-wire protocol pixels, namely 28 type protocol pixels. Now, to get power to those pixels, we do have a terminal connection on the right hand side that allows all the way from 16 to 12 gauge wire. We also on the right have a red LED light that indicates that you are receiving power. Now, we also have red LEDs up here. That indicates that we have no fuse tripped. This does feature poly fuses, and poly fuses do not need to be replaced. You simply wait and they self-reset. If any of the red lights are turned off, that indicates that the poly fuse is tripped. You can see that they're easily and well marked, as is the bottom of the board, as to data, power, and ground. Now, we also have connection points here. We have 3 different connection points which can use standoffs. And you can also see our website for additional mounting boards if you are doing a DIY build. If you have any additional questions about this product, feel free to reach out to us at holidaycoro.com/contact us.